Maybe you can throw the old.
Okay, we got 2 tickets here and 4 coins here.
Oh,
That's it.
we are